Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Odoo for beginners. Let's continue with that reconciliations. In this session we will cover that how we can automate and manually reconcile the bank fees using the reconciliation model. We will cover both cases. If you want to do the reconciliation of bank fees, particularly bank fees or any PayPal fees, then how you can do it using the automatic reconciliations and how we can do it as a manual. So let's continue. So let me just go to that accounting. Okay. Okay, we are on accounting, and in accounting this all our journals, and if we are just click on the 3 to reconcile, that we can see that this 3 are belongs to our bank fees. Now let's first dive into that how we can do it as a manually. Okay, so for that we have to create a different reconciliation model, and for automatic also we have to create the different reconciliation model. So we can create it from this gear button also, or we can just click on that configuration settings and we can do it. So let me create the model. So let me make it as manual bank fees reconciliation model. Okay, so here we are trying to cover first manually. So here when we want to do it manual, just we have to make it as a button to generate the counterpart entry. Okay, that's fine. And here we have to select the account, in which account we want to do that counterpart. So let me check it that. Okay, yeah, bank fees are there. Okay, this is a percentage of statement line and everything is there. Now let me make it save. Okay, so here we are going to generate the reconciliation model for that manual operations. Now let me duplicate this. Now let me go to that. Okay, so now again accounting and 3 to reconciliations. Okay, and if we are just currently we haven't used that reconciliation model, so here we can see that for this item we can see that bank suspense account is there because we are not sure on which account the bank fees will be there. Okay, so now here we can see, let me check why I can't see that. Okay, new models. Okay, let me make it, just hold on, why it was not there. Just let me make it save. Yeah, manual bank fees. Okay, and let me go to that dashboard. Yeah, this is the things. Okay, and fine, we can see that the manual bank fees button is already there. Currently it is the bank suspense account, and if I'm just going to click on that, here we can see that it generates the accounting entries for that bank fees, and just we have to click on that validate and that reconciliation is done. Let's do for the others also. Okay, and just we are going to click on that and we are going to validate. So this is the just manual method. Okay, but now if we want to make it as it automatic, then how we can do it? So let me just remove this model first. This, okay, let me make it the archive. Let me make it the delete first. Okay, so now this is the done. Now let me go to that. Now currently we have that one statement which contains that bank fees of that $5. So how we can make it as that automatic? Again, view model. Now automatic bank fees. Now here we want to make it as a automatic. So just what we have to do, we have to use that rule to suggest the counterpart entry. We have to make it the auto validate, and we can make that amount condition is also lower than $10. Okay. Now we have to use that label contains fees, all done, and we have to set that counterpart which is my bank fees. Everything is there. Now just let me make it as a save. Now this model is important and we have to select that rule to suggest the counterpart entry. Now let's go to that bank. Now dashboard, and here we have that 1 to reconciliations. Now using that automatic, now this is already done. Now let me click on that, run manually. Now let's check it. Here you can see that all are validated. This one is validated automatically. Let's do one more case. Let me create the list view. I'm just going to create it, that bank fees. Now let me make it as a -6. Let's save it. Now let's check the dashboard. Let's check, is it there or not. One is less because it based on that cron job. Let's check. Here you can see that it's reconciled automatically. So here we can set that conditions, that for which amount we want to make it as automatic. If we want to make it on your amount, you can do it. So these are just basic concept. Okay, using this concept you can configure your model and you can do your this. Thank you. You can test from your side and let me know if you have any queries for that. Thank you.